Hey there, this is Mark, and I'm the guy behind The Mental Marketer and the Facebook group Funnel Building 101. This is video 3 in the Facebook group Funnel series, and we're turning your Facebook group into a money-making machine that works on autopilot. And in this video, I'll show you how to push your Facebook group members' email addresses from a Google Sheet into ClickFunnels and onto an email list so you can send automated emails with your low ticket, high ticket, and affiliate offers automatically. Now, if you follow all the steps in this video series, you can grow your Facebook group and make money without lifting a finger. Stick around until the end because I'll give you this zap that has already been done for you absolutely free. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe to continue receiving great reviews. What we'll use to transfer emails from a Google Sheet to ClickFunnels is a site called Zapier. Zapier is an online software that allows you to connect two completely different apps together. It allows those two softwares to communicate with each other and perform some automated tasks. You set it up so that when a particular event happens in one app, it'll automatically perform an action in the other app. Now, there are over 3,000 different apps that can be integrated with Zapier, all with different actions and triggers. Many of them are your most popular apps that you're already using every day. You can check the website when you get a chance and you'll find a host of awesome things. I've heard that people who use Zapier regularly save anywhere between 8 and 18 hours a week. That's major. It'll practically save you the cost of having to pay an assistant. I'm currently using the free plan, and it will probably work for most people. You can see with the free plan, you do have a limited amount of tasks and also a limited amount of zaps. And you can go for a starter plan at $19.99 a month, or professional plan, a team or company. Each will give you more options, but you can check out the site to determine which plan fits best for you. Now, I'm going to take you through the entire sign-up process, which takes less than a minute. Then I'll walk you through each step of the setup to get this Zap up and running. Now, if you check somewhere around this video, there'll be a link so you can download this exact same Zap into your account. You're going to start up here with the sign up. In your initial sign up, it's going to prompt you to either enter an email and sign up, or if you're like me, I like to sign in with Google. So I continue to sign up with Google, or you can sign up with Facebook or Microsoft. Once you click sign up, it's going to ask you to fill out a few pieces of information. It's just initial information that you can choose to complete, or you can use this for later. The next screen is going to take you is asking you what apps do you use. As I said, there's over 3,000 apps that connect. You can see some of the most popular ones here: Facebook, Trello, Instagram, LinkedIn, and even WordPress. But what we're going to do is go through and make sure that we've got the two apps that we're connecting together are in our immediate area. And the first one is Google Sheets. So you can just type in Google Sheets, and what you want to do is just make sure that the blue check mark is checked right there next to the Google Sheets. And the next app we want to type in is ClickFunnels. So type in ClickFunnels. This will show up and you'll want to click there so the blue check mark will show up. When we hit next, that takes us to this screen right here. Now, when you get to this screen, it will be completely blank. So I'm just going to go over the areas that you will need to input one at a time. On here, it says connect this app. You want to connect Google Sheets, and it says with this one, and that will be with ClickFunnels. Then it asks for when this happens, you want to say new spreadsheet row. And when you click this button, it will show the options, but you want to make sure to select new spreadsheet row. When this happens, then do this. and you'll click this. It'll bring up the options, and you want to create a contact profile. So we want to create a contact profile in ClickFunnels with a new spreadsheet row in the Google Sheets. You'll click try it, and then we're going through the next steps to get it set up. We'll connect the apps, set up the Zap, and then turn on the Zap. We'll click get started. Now, first, it'll ask you to connect your Google Sheets account. And once you hit connect, it's going to ask you to sign in to your Google account using your account. Make sure you choose the correct account. And then, of course, it's going to ask you to approve the permissions. And once you click allow, that will connect the Google Sheets. So now your Google account is connected with Zapier. Next, we will ask us which spreadsheet do we want to use. And this is the spreadsheet that has the information on your Facebook group members' questions. As you can see, I selected that sheet here, and you want to make sure of all the sheets in there that you select the correct one. Then we hit next. It'll ask which worksheet do you want to use. Now you'll look at the bottom left on your Google Sheet, and that's where you'll select which sheet to actually use. If you've downloaded the sheet that I provided, it will be sheet number 1. Next, we want to connect our ClickFunnels account. Now, it's best to already be logged in to ClickFunnels to make this process go quickly and easily. Once you hit connect, it simply asks you to authorize Zapier to use your account. And you can see this is the ClickFunnels authorization page, and you just authorize, and simple as that, your ClickFunnels account has been connected with Zapier. You'll click next, and then now we're going to map the fields from the sheet into ClickFunnels. And this is making sure that Zapier transfers the correct field into the ClickFunnels editor. And we'll click next. Now it's going to ask you the element, and these elements are simply the headers that you should have put on your Google Sheet. Now, if you downloaded the Google Sheet that I provided, it will automatically populate with these fields. And remember, A3 is the field that we had our email address in. And there we have it. We've selected it, and here's a screenshot of that Google Sheet that I provided, and you can see that A3 is the row that has the email addresses. Now, you see here, there's no email address behind that A3. So there, we will need to actually fix this and go deeper into the editor here to actually fix that. So, because there needs to be data in this field, and when there's no data in the field, you're going to get an error. If there is data in the field, then you'll be okay to send the test, but because there's no data in the field, we're going to need to actually see how the Zapier editor can help us. So we'll click this, and advanced mode will give us more control over the data, and then we're going to use advanced mode. Now that takes us to a different version of setting up the Zap. And what we'll do is set up the action. We want to make sure, we may even have to go back and reset the actual Google Sheet so it pulls over that data. And you'll set up action. Now we can actually see that there is an email address in that A3. And we will select that as the actions, but you need to have some data right there after the actual header. So as long as you've got data there and it's an email form, then you're good. Okay, then we hit continue. Now we're ready to test and review, and you should see this here where it shows the email, because we're going to send a contact profile to ClickFunnels to test it. So you'll hit test and review. It will show you and let you know that the contact profile was sent to ClickFunnels. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to ClickFunnels to see if this email has actually transferred over. I head over to the email and I look inside my contacts, and I can see, yes, the email has been transferred over. So we know that Zap is working. So let's go back to the Zapier, and now we want to actually add it to a list. So we will click this plus sign, and and when it comes to add an action, it says do something in an app. We're actually going to select ClickFunnels again. So the second time we're going to select ClickFunnels. So there we have, we've chosen an app first. After we've chosen the app, then it's our chance to choose the event. We'll click this drop-down menu, and you'll need to find Add Email to List. That's the event that we want to happen inside of ClickFunnels. Once we hit continue, we'll have to confirm that we are using the correct ClickFunnels account. And once we hit continue, now we're going to set up the action. So this action, we're going to select the list that we want, the email list that we want the contact information added to. When we select the drop down, it will show us all of our email lists that we have set up. Now, in this example, I'm going to add them to the new members in Funnel Building 101 email list. So I'll select that, and you can see it populated, the new members in Funnel Building 101. Now we want to confirm which area of the sheet will go inside of the actual ClickFunnels. So we're going to use the same line, which is A3, that has the email address from the sheet. So once we select this, it's going to ask us create contact profile in ClickFunnels. We'll select that, and then we're going to find the line that has the email address. So I found the line. On this one, it was the email address, and you'll select that line from the Create Contact Profile in ClickFunnels. So remember, this is not from the Google Sheet. This is from the Contact Profile in ClickFunnels. See, we've selected the email. Now we're going to hit Continue, and that's set up. And now it's prompting us, it's showing us the email address, and it'll prompt us to send a test so that we can review it. And this is going to send it to ClickFunnels. So we'll hit test and review. We can see that a list was sent to ClickFunnels, and this was a test, and we'll see the email address that was sent over. And now we go over to ClickFunnels, and I'm going into that email list of new members in Funnel Building 101. And I can see here that that email address has been transferred over. It has been transferred over successfully. So that's it. We have successfully set up the Zap to take the email address from the Google Sheet and to transfer it to ClickFunnels as a contact, and also add them onto an email address. The last step is to click this to turn on the Zap. And that's it. That's the last step to take. That will take your group members from requesting to enter your group into an email campaign and offering them your low ticket, your high ticket, and your affiliate offers, all completely on automation. Now, this is, you can find a link below with a share link for this exact same Zap. And if you're concerned, the connected accounts data and task history will not be shared. So you can actually get a copy of the Zap without worrying about sharing data. And this is what it will look like inside of your account once you have that Zap set up. It shows one Zap from Google Sheets to ClickFunnels, and you're all set. Awesome. So this is the last step. I've made a few bonus videos with other automations that will take this to another level. So just check somewhere around this video for the details. Until next time, have a great day and take care. Well, after you've done a great job and gotten someone to subscribe to your email list, you need to follow up with them. One of the best ways to follow up with them is through email. Follow-up funnels allow you to customize and automate the process quickly and easily. And with these 10 pre-created email campaigns, you'll have 10 email campaigns already written for you that are proven to convert. The 10 campaigns are webinar registration campaign, a campaign to deliver your lead magnet, a gain logic fear campaign, a testimonial getting campaign, a soap opera sequence, which is a welcome campaign, a re-engagement campaign to wake up dead subscribers, a win-back campaign, a cart abandonment sequence, a flash sale campaign, and a bonding campaign. As you can see, these are 10 completely unique and professionally pre-designed plug-and-play follow-up email funnels that are ready to go. They download into your ClickFunnels account with just one click. And if you don't have a ClickFunnels account, you'll be given a 14-day free trial. You'll customize them. You can add and subtract as many emails as you want. You just add your videos, your logos, your colors, your images, your style and flair to make it uniquely your own and get the exact look and feel that you want. These templates are for you, so you don't have to do it the hard way and try to write these important emails just starting from a blank page. No, these templates save you time, money, and the headache from having to start from scratch. And these templates have been tested and proven to convert. So you can build your follow-up email campaigns quickly and easily and start achieving results quickly.